to another music activity with Miss Phelan. I hope you're all being safe and doing well while we are all at home. Today we are going to review the pitches sol, mi, and la. And then you're going to learn how to make a melody map. And this activity, you're going to need a piece of paper. You're going to draw 2 lines on them. And you're going to need either some coins, buttons, or bottle caps. So before we get started, when we talk about sol, mi, and la, remember we use a peace sign to help us. So everyone put your peace signs up. Get them ready. And then what do we do to make it look like 2 lines? That's right, we're going to turn them to the side. So peace to the side. Now you have 2 lines. You have a top line and a bottom line. Who remembers what the name of your bottom line is called? That's right, your bottom line is mi, so your top line is sol. Very good. Now we're going to go one step farther. You have mi, sol. What note did we talk about that sits right on top of that sol line? You have mi, sol, and very good, la. So la sits right on top. So la is a space. Remember that. So what we're going to do today is we're going to sing the song Rain, Rain, Go Away, just a part of it, and then we're going to do a melody map, which means we're going to take a coin, button, or bottle cap, whatever you have, and we're going to place them on which line you think they go on. Remember, sol is higher than mi. So if a pitch sounds high, it's most likely going to be sol, and if it sounds low, it's going to be mi. So let's sing Rain, Rain, Go Away together. 1, 2, here we go. Rain, rain, go away. Another day. Sing it with me one more time. 1, 2, here we go. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Very good. Now let's look at our melody map. The first pitch, let's see. Rain, rain. Is that first rain high or low? So we're going to take a coin. Let's do it again. Rain, rain. So it sounds like sol, mi. So find sol, which you know is your top line. Put a coin or button, whatever you have, right on top. Now we're going to go to the second rain. Rain, rain. Sounds lower, so you put it on mi. Let's move these over a little bit. Yep. Rain, rain, go. Go higher or lower. Rain, rain, go. That's right, it's higher, so you're going to put another coin on sol. Keep going. Rain, rain, go up. So we have sol, mi, sol, sol. Very good. Let's keep going. Rain, rain, go away. Where's the way? Rain, rain, go away. It is lower. Sol, mi, sol, sol, mi. Let's keep going. Rain, rain, go away. Come. Back up to sol. Sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, sol, sol. Rain, rain, go away. Come again. Where is that one? Sound high or low? Come again. Back to mi. Sol, mi, sol, sol, mi. one's tricky. It is higher, but is it sol or la? Rain, rain, go away, come again, That one's gonna be la. Sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, la. Now I'll give you the next one. Sol. We got two more to go. Let's try it with sol and mi and la. 1, 2, beginning, go. Sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, la, sol. Two more notes. Rain, rain, go away, come again, another. Does that note sound the same? Another, another. It is also sol. That note did not change. One more to go. Good job, Blue Jays. Rain, rain, go away, come again, another day. Now where did we end? Another day, another day. Very good. So it should look just like this. Let's try singing and pointing to your coins and sol, mi, and la. 1, 2, here we go. Sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, la, sol, mi. Very good. Now let's sing Rain, Rain, Go Away together while pointing with the words. 1, 2, 3, go. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Very good, Blue Jays. So what I want you to do this week, you're going to do the same thing. This is called a melody map. You're going to do a melody map, but you're going to do it to the song Starlight, Star Bright. That song goes, starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Do it one more time. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. That's the song you're going to do. You can find links on YouTube to that song to help you. You're only going to do that little portion of the song. And I'm going to give you a little hint. That song only uses sol and mi. So there's no la. So you're only going to use your two lines to starlight, star bright. And if you get even farther, practice those hand signs while you're singing. Remember, sol is flat up here, and mi is right here. So you have sol, mi. Try it with me. Sol, mi. Again, go. Sol, mi. Remember, all those hand signs you can do, incorporate anything. I am looking forward to seeing your melody maps, and don't forget to please share them on Class Dojo along with whatever other music activities you have been working on. I hope you have a good week. See you again next Blue Jays. Can't wait till next time.